name is Archish and one of the co-founders of Zishta. A lot of people have questions around kalai, the metal that we put inside brass cookware or even copper cookware. Today, I'm just going to take a kalai kit that we've got and see how easy it is for us to do it by ourselves at home.
So here is the kit. So what we have is a lot of base cloth. This is used for the whole kalai process. This is the Nausadar, the powder that we have to use to create the binding agent that allows this tin to stick to the surface. Now we've got a kadai that we will do a kalai. To begin with, finely wash the vessel that you're going to do kalai. Here there is a little bit of unevenness, so we wash it really well with lots of tamarind, lime, even with a scrubber, so that the vessel is properly cleaned before we start the process. Before you start, please have some safety gears in place. Have some pair of gloves, mask. If you have goggles, please use them as well. Be in a well ventilated place. Please take care of, we have fire alarms at home because there are going to be a lot of fumes. The best way is to do it outside. That's the way that you don't have any of these things come inside the house and you have better ventilation. So start off with heating up the vessel really well. You can even place it, because this way the inner part gets really hot, which is very important for the whole kalai process. Heat up the vessel as much as possible. So the next step after doing the entire process is to immediately put it inside water and allow it to cool. So this way the tin coating gets applied along the vessel and it immediately solidifies. Now that we are done with the process, let me share my experience. So the first time that I'm doing it, as you can see, the space is a little bit dirty with the whole process. So be clear about when you are doing it at home, and it's still filled with fumes. So make sure, even though we are very well ventilated, the fumes are still there. So just be careful about these aspects. What I had done an open kadai because this would be easier to do. I found it not very difficult, but I can still see that the coating is not uniform as I would have expected, but for the first time I think it's a pretty decent job. It's really hard, so the chances of you burning your hands is there. So be careful, have protective gears, and also make sure that you scrub the vessel well before you do this process, so that the previous tinning that has been done, it's finely scraped out, so that the whole process and the is easier. Challenges would be if you're trying to do a small mouth vessel, in which case it could be difficult because of the heat, and you trying to put your hands in to do the entire process, or maybe trying to use a long tongue to do the process. I'm not sure whether the skills will be there to do it. Maybe a few practices and few vessels that you do. The other part that you see, the vessel is pretty the copper in the brass has come out a lot because of the high heat. So just make sure that you use some tamarind lime to clean it up, and over a period of time the brass color do come out. So my recommendation is you can give it a shot, but always keep in mind the precautions that we have to take. and also in terms of what would really work for you. So I leave the option to all of you to see whether you really want to do this at home.